This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to show you a summer salad that I really like to make. And to some of y'all it's going to be different because I don't fix it like any that I've seen online. I'm going to fix pea salad. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm using 3 cans of sweet peas, just great value sweet peas, and I've got 6 boiled eggs in here that I'm going to mash up, and I use my potato masher to do this. And I have carpal tunnel syndrome, and my arm is just about killing me. But Alicia's doing something else, and she's washing my splint, or whatever you call it, for my arm. So, alright, so I don't want them mashed up too much. So this is, let me show you, that's about all that I want it right there. And I'm going to go on and put the can of peas in here. I've drained each of these cans of peas. Here's one for the lids in the kitchen. Alright, so I've drained each can of peas, and I'm putting them in here with the eggs. Alright. The next thing I'm putting in here is cucumbers. I have 1 cucumber that I've cut up into small little dices. I'm going to put those in here. And then I'm going to put mayonnaise. I've got Duke's mayonnaise right here that I use. And I would say maybe 3/4 of a cup. Let me stir this up and see how much I really do use in here. This bowl is not big enough. I thought it was going to be, but it's not going to be. I like when I'm mixing up the stuff. I don't want to mash my peas up too bad. Let me get Alicia to get me one of the big bowls. I'll bring you right back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so I'm going to put, well, I'll bring you right back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so I've already put about 1/2 of a cup. So maybe it is, I'm going to probably use about a cup. I'm going to go on and mix all this together. So I've got a cup of mayonnaise in here with these 3 cans of peas. It's 3 cans of peas, 1 cucumber, and there's an egg that didn't get mashed up. And I used 6 eggs. Usually I'd use 4, but I had some extra eggs, so I went on and put 6 in here. And so I just mix all of this up. And get it all mixed up together, and then I'll put it in the refrigerator and let it sit for an hour, 2 hours, whenever it is that we eat. I'm going to go on and taste this for y'all because I already know what it tastes like. This is my favorite, and that's all it is mayonnaise, eggs, cucumbers, and peas. I don't like onions in it, and there isn't really anything else to bacon. You could put bacon bits in it, but I really don't like that either. I just like this. Let me taste this. That's so good. And now salt and pepper, and let this get cold, and we'll eat it after a while. So, oh, it is so good. Alright, let me get this cold, and I'll bring you back, and I'll let Alicia try it.